right, guys, I'm super proud of this. I've been developing this slowly because I didn't get the test gun that I was initially working on getting for you guys about a month ago, but they're absolutely finished and they're absolutely here now at this point. The Megalodon 50 cal extended mags. I love it. I love it. I do love it. Full carbon fiber green, military green carbon fiber, minimum 15% carbon fiber by volume. So it is an actual material, not just a finish that's looking that way. I'm proud of this. Let's see if it'll actually work in my rifle. Remove my scope. There is one trade-off to the design of my extended magazine. You are not able to utilize this factory rotary magazine if you have the rifle set up to use my mags. Let's go ahead and put it on safe. All right, now on the Megalodon rifle, just like on a lot of the AEA stuff, there's adapters up top. You got these two little Picatinny adapters so that you get a weaver rail out of it, right? Boom. Now this rifle is in a completely different configuration and the front rail is on the rear post. This is going to go ahead and make it so that this magazine cleanly slides in and uses this piece itself as the supporting magwell without needing to purchase anything additional. You use the factory components, you purchase the magazine, you purchase nothing extra. This by itself is sufficient. Now I'm going to load this exactly the way I would load any of my other extended magazines. I'm just going to incrementally pull this follower down. Just a little bit at a time. The slug will go in skirt first into the front of the magazine and then slide down like a ramp. I'll pull the follower back a little bit more. I'll put a seed in there. Follower, seed. You'll start to see them just going down in their little hole. I hope the camera's getting that. Now, the other trade-off at this point on this episode is I actually had my scope set up for the dual rail setup, so we won't have that good optic on it anymore. But we do have this really cool fiber optic sight on this front rail as well. So even without a traditional optic, I should be able to hit that plate. I feel like I can hit that plate. Let's go ahead and see what this takes. Action back, magazine in, magazine feels solid, safety is on. Magazine chambers, dog, yeah! That's good. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. Let's do it. Is there anything bad gonna happen? Is everything buttoned up? Yeah, I got it, okay. Does work. I can't shoot when I'm excited because it's working good as fuck, but man, I cannot be happier right now. Look at the little thing, says S, not F. Yes! Ah, yes! Yes! The locks you out when it is empty. Absolutely no air charge wasted. Bro, I love it. 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 There's nothing whatsoever on that specific piece that I need to adjust. It just ran. Honestly, it went so good last time that I can't help but just go faster this time. Even if I don't hit the gong, just running the action is good enough for me. Yes! 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 That's so cool, dude. That is so cool. That is so cool to me. God, that's excellent. Decock for safety, hand on bolt, trigger release. Yes! Man, I'm so excited, bro. My life is always just like filled with mediocrity. And now finally I'm getting something like super over the top superlative right. Never goes like this for me. I'm gonna savor it.